Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share my 5-minute trading strategy that will change the way you trade. So let's get started. So as you can see, we are on the chart and this is 1 minute candlestick chart and we are on Euro US dollar. We will try to take the trend first of all. So as you can see, market is strongly moving in the downward direction, which means that the trend is downtrend. And as you can see, market is forming lower lows here. It means with price action, we can say that market will go in the downward direction in the future. Right now, this is retracement. And after retracement, we all know that market will continue its trend, which is downtrend in this case. So first of all, we will try to draw some strong levels here. So as you can see, this level, let me draw it first. So as you can see, and okay, so this is a zone of resistance. Will include the wick also. So okay, we'll do one thing. Actually, the whole level is a resistance, so we will include this one and we'll start. Okay, so I have taken a strong zone of resistance. This is also a resistance level, but I'm not including it in the chart right now. Why? Because I can see that market is moving strongly in the upward direction and the chances are very less that it can reverse from this level. So I'm hoping that market will get weaker here on this strong resistance zone, because this is the last time where the market hit a higher point, and we can say this is the lower high on this chart. So for me, this is a strong level of resistance. We are going to use this level. We will wait for the market to get weak, and once the market gets weak, we will wait for the confirmation, and after the confirmation, we know that just we need to place our trade and wait for the result. So let's wait. As you can see, market is, you can see this is moving strongly in the upward direction, and this is a small candle, meaning weakness, depletion in the market, which is what we really wanted. Now we'll wait for the next 2 or 3 minutes most probably, and we are going to get a trading opportunity, as this is a strong level of resistance. It's an area. I'm not saying that this particular point is a strong level of resistance. This whole area is together forming a strong resistance zone, or we can say a selling zone here. So as you can see, market get rejected from the level, meaning a good news for us, because when market get rejected from a resistance level, it is a sign that yes, sellers will enter in the market soon. So as you can see, market is reversing, but we'll not place our trade with this candle. This is a good confirmation, but still I want market to go up, and after some price action, we'll wait for the confirmation. So let's wait. This is a good trading setup and I'm very sure about this setup. So let's wait, because as you can see, market is going upward, which is what we wanted, because for me, this is not a price action that market can reverse with. So we need some more weakness in the market. And so let's wait. We're going to get soon. It's a good trading setup. Okay. So we'll wait for the confirmation. Right now, everything is in our favor. The trend is downtrend, and we are going to place our trade in the direction of the trend. Second thing, it's a strong level of resistance. So market should reverse from this level in the downward direction. The third thing is market is getting rejections, you can see, and it is getting weaker with time, which is a sign that yes, the buyers are losing its momentum and sellers can move the market in the future. And the fourth thing, we are waiting for a proper confirmation, and that's how you are going to place our trade. And we are also taking the price action in consideration because this is how market moves. So as this is at a lower high level, so in a downtrend I am hoping, and with price action, if we go by price action, it is clear that market will go in the downward direction in the near future. So let's wait. We need proper confirmation, then only we can place our trade. So as you can see, market has reached our level, which is a strong level of resistance. Now we will wait for a strong confirmation from this level, and as soon as we got a confirmation, we are going to place our trade because market is now getting weaker. You can see this is a small candlestick, less control by the buyers, and this was the retracement on a smaller time frame. Let me show you in the 5 seconds so that you can understand it. So if we go by price action, market goes up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is the higher high. Now market is going, but it is getting weaker, and once we got a confirmation in the downward direction, we are going to place our trade, and I'm sure that sooner we are going to get one because that is how the market works. So let's wait. We are not going to do anything in hurry, and this is a strong level of resistance. It's a strong zone. Now we have to wait. Patience is the key here. Everything is in our favor. We just need proper confirmation by the sellers, and then we are good to go. So let's wait. So we have placed our trade, and now let's wait for the result. And after the result, I'm going to explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade, and it's a great start of the week. So as you can see, we have won this trade. Now let me explain you why I took this trade. So first of all, the main thing which I notice in the chart is the trend, the major trend. So in this case, the trend was downtrend. So in my mind, whenever I see a strong trend, I follow the trend. So in this case, I wanted to follow the downtrend. So my main concern was to take a trade in the downward direction, because when there is a trend, the strength of the trend is more than the retracement, which means that in a downtrend, the sellers will dominate at every point. So in my mind, I thought that whenever there is a retracement, like in this case, market will be controlled by the sellers. So I thought that I will place a lower option or in the downward direction. So for that, I need some evidences. So what are the evidences? The first thing was that market was going in the downward direction, and as we all know that price action is how the market will move. So if we go by price action, after forming a lower low, it has to form a lower high, and that's why, and this movement we can call a retracement move, and in this case this was the retracement move. Now the retracement finishes when market hit a support level or a resistance level. In this case, as we are explaining about the downtrend, so in this case market hit this strong resistance level and started losing its momentum. The buyers lost their control, and we all know that in a downtrend the sellers will dominate. So I'm waiting for the same thing. Market goes up. It was the retracement phase. I didn't place my trade here because the price action was not correct. I waited for the market to get weak. Market gets weaker, and finally we got a confirmation. It broke the recent support level. This was the support level. I wanted to place my trade here, but for some reason I was not able to, and market was started to go in the downward direction. So what I did, I waited for the market to go up and I placed my trade here, and our trade finishes here. So and we have won this trade. So we have got the candlestick confirmation. We have got a resistance level which was supporting the sellers, and the sellers also broke out through the support level which was recently built. And as it is a downtrend, so after retracement, market will continue to go in the trend direction, and that's why I place a trade here. So I think I have explained you about this trading setup. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like such videos, make sure you hit that like button and comment as well. It helps the YouTube algorithm to support this video, so I want you to show some love in that section also. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.